Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to order from Pandabuy step by step. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So you might be wondering, or if you're kinda new into Pandabuy, you might be wondering how do you actually order in Pandabuy. So there are a few requirements in Pandabuy here. So it is required that you have your account here. So go to pandabuy.com, log into your account or create your account. But once you're in there, you should now be able to start ordering. Now in this case, there are a few steps for you to follow for you to start ordering. So first thing that we need to do here is we need to search for a product that we want to buy. Now there are multiple ways to search for a product, so you could go ahead and click on the select option here, and you could either choose product or shop here. Now if you want to search for a product, choose product here, but if you want to buy from a specific shop, choose the shop option. Now from here, what we need to do is just type in the name of the product that we want to basically buy. Also, if you don't know the name of the product itself, you could upload an image here and you'll be able to use that as a reference for you to buy those products. So it's going to give you different suggestions or different products that would actually match that specific photo. Now in this case, let's just type in a shirt here. Now from here, let's just click on search. Now once you've done that, the next thing we want to do is we want to start adding our products. So choose a product here. So maybe we want to buy this product here. So let's go ahead and click on it. So by the way, if you are not familiar with the currency that's being used right now, so it's CNY, Chinese yen. So you could actually change the currency here at the top right. So in this case, I'm going to change this to USD. Just to make things a lot familiar, and just click on OK. As you can see, each shirt here is around $7.31. In this case, we want to choose a variation of that specific shirt. So let's just choose a size as well, and from here indicate the quantity. Now in this case, maybe we want to buy 2 products of this one, and from here just click on the add to cart option. Now once added, at the right side of your screen, you should see a cart icon. Go ahead and click on it. Now from here, what we need to do next is we need to select the products that we want to basically buy. In this case, we want to choose this one. Let's go ahead and click on it. And from here, you could go ahead and click on the submit button at the bottom right. Now also, if you want to know the specific estimate on the shipping fee, you could choose the estimator or use the estimator here. It's going to load up another page wherein you need to choose a category, choose the product itself, and from there, once you've chosen all the required details or fields here, you'll be able to see the specific or the estimated shipping fee. But for now, let's just go back into the previous page and make sure that we select this one and hit on submit. Now once you've done that, we want to choose a warehouse here. So I've chosen Philippines here, so make sure that you've chosen the correct warehouse here. And once you've done that, you have to read into the following statements here, like the prohibited items statement, service terms and use agreement, return exchange services, and disclaimer. So it is suggested that you read through all these other documents and the agreement so that you'll be able to protect yourself. But in this case, once you've read that, just click on I have read and agreed, and from there you could go ahead and click on submit order. Now once you've submitted the order, you should be able to choose a way for you to basically buy this specific product. Now in this case, we have our balance here in our account, but you could also use the PayPal, Stripe, credit or debit card here, UnionPay, Alipay, so forth, and Alipay itself in here. Now once you've chosen a payment method and fill all necessary details, just click on confirm payment and you should be able to buy that specific product. So that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.